Canberra's climate is one of Australia's most extreme. Summers can be scorching, winters bitterly cold, and the swings between the two are becoming more pronounced. Keeping your home comfortable is a real challenge for everyday life. Climate projections show a significant change ahead. By 2090, Canberra is expected to experience more than 5 times the number of days exceeding 35 degrees compared to the 1990 to 2009 average under a high emission scenario. That means longer, hotter summers and increased pressure on your air conditioning. Not to mention the seasonal swings, which are just as dramatic. These extremes can make your heating and cooling systems work overtime, increasing energy bills and making it hard to maintain comfort indoors. Double glazing is designed to combat these extremes. Its 2 panes of glass, separated by an insulating gas layer, keep heat inside during winter and block unwanted heat in summer. That means your home stays warmer, cooler, and more energy efficient, without constantly running a heater or air conditioner. Double glazing isn't just about temperature. It also reduces noise from traffic or neighbours, and it prevents condensation that can damage window frames and interiors. Many Canberra homeowners have noticed a real difference. Their homes feel quieter, drier, and more comfortable all year round. One customer from Dixon told us there was no condensation this morning, which was great. This is a small but powerful example of how double glazing improves daily living, from clearer windows to more consistent indoor comfort. Don't only trust us, trust the word of your community.
The best double glazing from the start.